Right now I am in Pepperwood Park in Omaha, Nebraska. It's currently snowing right now. We had a 5 days snow day, so that was a lot of fun. Hi, my name is Brian Park. My real Korean name is Chano Park. I am an international student in Korea High School right now. I'm a senior. I'm really interested in videography and photography, and also drones. The gear I have right now is GoPro Hero7 Silver. I love winter. Winter is my favorite season. I'm born in January 7th. That was also a winter season, and maybe that's why I love winter so much. YouTube channel is all about my memories. I started YouTube I think a year and a half ago. I wasn't talking to you guys because I was scared of camera. Now, not as scary as that much. Hi, I'm in the middle of the park. There's a one started tree that I might try to climb to the top and take a cool picture. So I'm gonna do that. If I die, if I fall from the tree, I have like find my iPhone system, so I don't have to worry about it. Dang. I'm gonna open my tripod and let's see how far I went. Maybe more. Maybe I can go a little bit more. This reminds me of one movie scene that one really smart ape goes to the top of the tree and the movie ends. Now the branch is getting weak. I think this is the end. Oh, Bailey. The thing about really high altitude, like here, top of the tree, just peaceful. Just me and the nature. It's really feel comfortable. Just feels good. Wow. Hey.